This is Uncle Vinny. We're in Pittsburgh right now. We're at the air show that the Air Force is putting on. It's the day before 9/11, so security is very tight. So we're right now in the information parking lot waiting for the lieutenant to come and escort us in. And we're going to show you guys today what the United States Air Force is all about. We're going to show you some of the awesome planes, some of the might, and some of the fantastic skills that our pilots have. And we hope you enjoy it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
As he climbs from 200 feet to over 3 miles.
Demonstrate a simulated technical combat maneuver. From there, they can release their awesome firepower. Those rotor tips are very close to each other, spinning just under the speed of sound. Folks, I can tell you from personal experience, that's close. The Cobra was designed from the beginning as a first true attack helicopter and was tailored to be very aerodynamic to virtually disappear when seen head-on by the enemy. As they turn to face us head-on, note the thin and narrow 3-foot wide fuselage. However, don't let their small appearances deceive you. They're powerful, lethal, and able to hunt the enemy from miles away.
Here are the Northeast Raiders, the formation aerobatic team. On up they go, completing 5/8 of a loop. 1/2 of a figure 8 line on the side as they continue on around on an inside loop. A 3-plane loop. Now as they separate, they'll use that half cubic 8 to turn the 3-plane formation team around. They'll go into trail formation, chasing each other right up the smoke trail of the aircraft in front of them. Up over the top, in the lead, Marty Sheehan in the red Yak 52. Right behind him, Tom Reynolds in the red and white Yak 52. In that number 3 position is Mort Stoverod in the brown camouflage CJ6. The aircraft slightly different, but very evenly matched for formation aerobatic flying. But put your cameras on the B-2 Spirit, coming overhead on the first of several passes. Captain Sean Germain at the controls of the B-2 Spirit. And the Sea Harrier.
guys trained for this to keep us safe at night, man. That's why we got to stand behind our veterans. Stand behind our vets.
Now there's a bow to the crowd.